Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this week's Patch Tuesday updates, of course, fix a lot of security flaws, but very often they include some bug fixes, and some come from the preview update or the update previews, but sometimes they're added within the update itself. So it seems that the update for Windows 11 KB5083769 is adding a fix that not a lot of people have been talking about, but there's been a problem with the scan of the when you did the SFC /scan now command line, which verifies the integrity of the Windows system files. There was bad reporting. Sometimes you could have had some problem with some of the files, but the result would say that there was not any problem with with any integrity violations. So you were in reality been told there's no problem when there could have been problems. So they fixed this in this new version, this latest update. The SFC Scannow reports correctly now of any of the problems that could be when you use it. It's a very popular command. When people have problems on their PCs, often it's one of the first things they will do. It's one of those scans to verify the integrity of files, make sure they're not corrupt and there's no problem with some of the basic Windows files before they do anything else. So this now is supposed to be reporting correctly, starting with this new update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.